another question is, how difficult is it to deploy? Is this something where really they should rely on a systems integrator, or is it something that an IT shop, small IT shop, could deploy themselves? How do you see that playing out mostly?
Yeah, I mean, I'll just say your mileage may vary because every organization is different. But I'll say this, that if an end user is able to install and run a hypervisor, they're going to have no problem getting SvSAN up and running. It's been designed to be super easy. It's all wizard based on the install. We make it really, really easy. I would say our larger end users probably do it themselves. Our smaller ones have a VAR or an integrator help them do it because they don't touch anything anyway.
Mm-hmm.
But in general, for an IT person that's familiar with server virtualization, they would have no trouble getting up and running. I've been told that we've won a lot of business out there. They've evaluated our competition, and I won't do competitive slamming, so I won't mention names, but they've evaluated our competition. And compared to them, we were just the obvious choice because it was so simple to get up and going. It just super easy. You don't have to worry about erasure coding and RAID, network RAID, and how many servers and where the data goes. It's just simple synchronous mirroring between two servers. It sets up, it installs, and it runs.